So we've got some new
Try
work.
Do it again, sorry.
Alright, so we got some new work added to the project. As you can hear, I'm a little sore. I've been sick all week. I don't know what's going on. Tim started it. But we're going to be building a boulder retaining wall. It's going to hold up our putting green. It's going to butt up to our water feature. It's going to be a really nice stone. It's going to match the exterior of the house. It's going to match our beige block and pavers in the outdoor space. So now we're getting ready for our base, getting all this trimmed out, tiled in. Going to bring in some fabric, some stone, build this up. It's going to be a nice touch. Make it two-dimensional, three-dimensional. I don't even know what that means. Let's go. Alright, so we've got our boulders in today. And what Dom is doing, he's going around and we're measuring each boulder. So they're all a little inconsistent height. And we've got some duct tape on the side. We're marking 15 inches. We've got a 14, a 13. We're going to go 2 rows high. That first row doesn't really matter on the height, but that next row up needs to be money. So if we've got more 13-inch boulders, we're going to use those on that top row. So we'll get these measured in. We've got a couple more pallets coming. That'll give us a good start for the day. So now we're working on feathering it from 2 boulders to 1 boulder into this hillside. Look pretty good stuff.
Yeah.
Look down there, see how it looks. Just getting these nice and dialed in, getting them nice and level. We've got some really cool boulders going in now. We got some greens, got some pinks, some oranges, some reds. It's gonna light it up, baby. So we got maybe 1, 2, 3 more. And we're gonna do a small landscape bed on the opposite side. And then the rest will be turf from this over. So it's gonna be a nice looking wall. Gonna add some dimension to the space. Steph, what do you think, babe? Give it away.
I think it looks great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go. That is a wrap on the wall. Look how incredible that thing looks up against our turf. That's for next week. Stay tuned for next week. But 2 boulders high. We need to add another step. Maybe we're gonna see how the turf lines up top. But for not being included in the final design, this was an awesome change order. I'm glad it happened like this. Couldn't see it any other way. Tim, take it away, baby. What do you say? All right, see you next week.